And welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2011 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja. This sport bike has just over 22,000 miles on it and will be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike has been tipped over on both sides, but the damage is pretty minimal, to be quite honest with you. The frame sliders did their job. So tires on it appear to be in good shape. Looks like we've got some good miles left on those. Got a dark tinted windscreen. So we've got some scrape damage here on the mirror. We've got adjustable levers. Some more damage on the bar end and the middle fairing here, as well as on the frame slider. But like I said, the frame sliders have done their job because they've kept the damage to a minimum. It also has a Shorty Vance & Hines twin pipe on it, as well as stand spools. A fender eliminator with aftermarket rear signals. You can see by that back tire too, that's in pretty good shape there. Looks like there's some good miles still on that. And again, stand spools, tank pad, frame slider, and again there's a little damage on the bottom of the frame slider and the same spot here on the fairing. Got a little bit on the engine cover on this side too, as well as the bar end, the adjustable lever, and the edge of the mirror again. You can see it underneath here. So like I said, real minimal, but definitely has been tipped over on both sides. Okay. 22,643 is what's on it. This 2011 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it will be going through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.